Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to access blocked websites safely. So if you're living in a country where a certain website is blocked, we're going to show you how you can have access to this website safely. Or if you travel to an area where a certain website is blocked but you have an account and you'd like to access it, we're going to be showing you how you can access such website using VPN. For example, in the country where we're currently in, having access to Patreon is not possible. So currently we're trying to load patreon.com and it will just keep turning and turning, loading, trying to get there, but it never will get there. And this is usually because this website has been possibly blocked. So what we can do is to go over to our VPN. For this tutorial, we're going to be using Proton VPN. So as we just open our Proton, you can see the website has given up. So what we can do is to click on Quick Connect. And currently we're connected to Netherlands. So because we are connected to Netherlands, we now finally have access to our Patreon account. You can go ahead and keep browsing even though access has been blocked. After doing this, of course, you want to make sure to disconnect the server. And now that the VPN has been disconnected, you will not be able to continue on this website. So when you're done, you can turn off your VPN and continue with other sites that are working fine. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.